peculiarity of our project has been the fact that we moved through all our region, going from Lecce to Brindisi, Taranto and Bari, in order to develop and touch with our hands all the topics of our study visit. One of them was tourism, and in a specific way, sustainable tourism. So, we went on a cultural trip to one of the most known touristic places in Puglia, Portugal. We visited the center, the seaside and the church. It was full of tourists. Everyone really enjoyed that day, but the main reason of going to Taranto was to underline the difference between that city and Taranto, where all the industries like Ilva have pushed aside all the beauty hidden in this land. So, thanks to WWF Taranto and other local associations, we rediscovered it and visited the protected area Palu della Vela, where we have been able to experience bird watching, looking at more than 300 different species of birds in full contact with the nature. After a great launch into the wood, we moved to the city center of Taranto and to the port area, where an event especially made with the purpose to give values to all the local activities in this territory took place. We had the chance to try a lot of different things, from hearing the voice of dolphins to canoeing. What incredible experience!
Allora, oggi stiamo provando a dare una nuova visione della nostra città, non più una visione collegata all'inquinamento ma alle possibilità offerte dal mare. Taranto e il mare devono tornare a essere una cosa sola, devono tornare a essere un unicum che deve dare sviluppo, deve dare una diversa visione della città.